Okay, so week commencing 4th December. NFP week, first of all, here's the news. Nothing on Monday. Obviously, we're heavy towards the end of the week. Yes, you have JOLTS coming out on Tuesday. Something to bear in mind. Wednesday, nothing for the news, and also last trading day for the week, considering probability wise. After Wednesday, of course, it's not that it cannot go to the. It's still going to reprice to inefficiency and liquidity because that's what it's designed to do. But how it does it, the manner it does it, it's not going to be as clean, basically. Okay, but it's not to say you can't have a trade. Okay, just letting you know, it's just not going to be as clean. Okay, now, yeah, Friday, obviously main event NFP, right? Now let's go back to the chart. So going back to the chart, I am still on the hard time frame basis. I am still like risk on. Okay, because straight away I don't like picking tops and bottoms. Now, in line with current trajectory, I want to see something like this here, this BISC, as a draw, basically. Okay, in the near term, maybe the previous weekly high. Okay, now counterparty wise, what are we playing with? So counterparty wise, I do like the inversion fair value gap. You saw them up in the new London morning session, just before the London session actually, and I labeled my chart up, and I just figured out there's a breaker here in the hard time frame, which we worked outside of. We came back, used it as resistance. While we do have this, the narrative would infer that we would rate this instead of that. Why? Because we already closed below, we already priced outside of that. And on the daily time frame, you can see that we went below that. Then we came back up, generated the equal highs, and then, yep, okay, well, we can see something going lower. On the back of a buy-side raid, though, I don't just want to be like, okay, yeah, I'm just going to sell this here now, No, I want to see something to the effect of taking out early sellers, because it's not going to be as easy. You just get in, just go to target, which is a weekly equal lows here. And we saw that. We saw engineering of buy side here. So here, people already shorted it here. Boom, got taken out. Okay, well, some might have just gone in here, taken out. You just messed around with their psychology, and then this is when the real move kicks in. You can also see it's 3 drives here. Buy side taken here. Boom. We captured this beautifully. TP hit. TP2 was here, just below this, and TP1 was here, and TP2 was here. Amazing. Like half an hour, I think it took. So that was quite fun to be a part of. Zooming out again on the hard time frame for the weekly analysis part, you can see there's 10 minutes remaining, but I do see this daily closing above the inversion, which will be a really strong signature to suggest a move higher into the internal range here for the last week. I like the fair value gap here, near term draw, and if you get excited here, high of the week, and maybe here. On the flip side, you just go into the DXY chart. We got something similar going on. DXY won't even go to the mean threshold actually. It's just coming back. It definitely looks like it's going to be closing under it. Should we do that? Boom. This is first thing to look at. Second thing to look at, and if you go in a real higher time frame, in order to correspond with the euro, this is the BISC that you're looking at, the 4th of July. Now, NFP week, okay, so let's assume it's going to go here. We know it's going to go opposite then for the counterparty pairing, right? So it may as well be a counterparty raid to induce selling for sentiment purposes, to then cannibalize on and gather longs inside of this BISC, to then go here, and maybe here with NFP push, which I can't really see going all the way here because December is going to be a slow month, holiday season and all that. I think we'd be lucky to even see it go here to the weekly high, but well, at this stage it's a monthly high, I guess. But yeah, that's my weekly outlook for Forex, okay, for the fiber. Which obviously is going to be this on your Dixie chart. And if I just go back to the indice part here, again, not that I need a higher temp, even though, despite of that, I would still see, you know, we've already priced above this. I mean, for this, it's a little bit 50-50. You can argue it's in premium, and normally I would expect a move here. But I'm not, I don't want to just say, okay, I don't want to pick a top on this. I think we can very easily go here in the SIBI plus volume imbalance. These two things are something to watch out for, hence why I've drawn the levels out here. And also, I think what I'll also do is the fair value gap that you see on the weekly chart here, that's also a possibility with a weekly low here as well. So those are the levels to watch. Again, a very simple scenario, is go lower, pair up with the counterparty, get the orders picked up, NFP comes in, boom, smash right through the roof, and create a fake market structure shift here by taking this low out, get people selling. As soon as they try to sell into it, destroy them. Just go up with the NFP inspired liquidity, take out the monthly high, complete the fair value gap, maybe even the void. That's something I see going forward. Definitely, well, not definitely, but highly likely. I would be seeing how every single day closes and opens to see if it works inside of this that I've posted. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.